Following next to Oprah and
I have the hiccups.
Queen. Every time I turn my eyes.
That wasn't a real
Wrong,
hiccup.
wrong breath. No, I guess they're contagious.
Those are not real. Okay, that was real. Stop it!
Sorry, those were fake. Sorry.
I'm just gonna lay like this. Oh my god!
Are they gone? They're out of you?
I think you might have.
No. Oh, shoot. Don't be expecting it, but I'm gonna scare you really soon.
I don't want to be scared. I hated that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm like scared, but they're not going away.
You're not scared enough.
Jillian. Jillian. Come here. I love you.
Okay, if I heard that voice in the middle of the night, I would be like, oh heavens, help me. But when I'm a billionaire. My voice sounds so gross right now because of these things. Oh,
My face.
Don't get understand. Here, Lynn.
Yeah,
So, these hiccups still aren't gone. I just want everyone to know. And they've been going on for like 5 minutes now. One time I had them for like 3 hours.
you know, in the Guinness Book of World Records, someone had him for like... Excuse me? Are you making fun of the way I talk? It's not funny! It's not funny! I have a speech problem!
I hate how my camera changes colors. Like, first we're green, and now we're tan.
My hair is green.
Sooner or later, we're gonna, like, change hair colors.
Mine's gonna be blonde.
I'm gonna be the brunette. Seriously! Frighten me. I'm ready.
You can't be ready for it. It has to be a spontaneous
A
attack.
spontaneous attack on...
Like the sexy panther.
I don't want the sexy panther to attack me.
Why?
Because I'd be a bit frightened.
Of the sexy panther?
Yeah.
You want the sexy panther. I want the sexy panther.
My eyes itch so bad. Ugh. Every time I think they're gone.
Shoot!
Okay, here, wait.
Don't
I'm gonna hold
be
my breath. I'm
expecting
gonna
it.
hold my breath.
Okay.
Here we go.
I'll count. 1, Mississippi. 2, Mississippi. 3, Mississippi. 4, Mississippi. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, this girl can hold her breath for a long time. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. My life. 20, 21. Gotta let go. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Are they gone?
I don't think so. I can feel it. Alright, well, sorry that my hiccups could not be cured. Well, I don't know why I'm apologizing to you for that, but... Alright. I'm gonna read out loud what you just said to the camera. So everyone can know what you're texting about.
Okay, I said,
I'm just kidding, I didn't even read it. Yay, that was fast. If I know how to read. Yay, that was fast. Did you guess though? You get to guess who those two. Okay, bye!